Hey car freaks! Today we're diving into the slick world of synthetic oil. You know your car needs oil, but have you explored all your options? Synthetic oil is a lubricant engineered in a lab, unlike conventional oil which comes from crude oil. This means synthetic oil offers a purer, more consistent molecular structure. Think of it like this. Conventional oil is like a rough-cut wooden puzzle piece, while synthetic oil is a precisely molded plastic piece. Both can fit, but the synthetic piece will provide a smoother, more exact fit. This translates to less friction and wear on your engine's internal parts. So why do people shell out extra for synthetic? One word, performance. Synthetic oil's refined structure makes it flow better at low temperatures, meaning quicker starts in cold weather. No more engine groans on those chilly mornings. But it's not just about cold starts. Synthetic oil also handles high temperatures better than conventional oil. It resists breaking down, which is crucial for those hot summer drives, or if you frequently tow heavy loads. This enhanced thermal stability means less sludge and deposit buildup in your engine, leading to a longer, healthier engine life. Let's face it, synthetic oil costs more upfront, that's a fact. However, it's crucial to consider the long-term picture. While you pay more at each oil change, you might find yourself changing your oil less frequently because synthetic oil lasts longer. Furthermore, the improved engine protection and performance offered by synthetic oil can lead to fuel savings and fewer costly repairs down the line. So, while the initial cost might seem higher, synthetic oil can actually save you money in the long run. Now, not every car needs synthetic oil. If you own an older, simpler engine, conventional oil is likely sufficient. But if you drive a high-performance vehicle, a turbocharged engine, or frequently subject your car to extreme temperatures or heavy loads, synthetic oil is a worthwhile investment. Ultimately, the best way to determine what's best for your car is to consult your owner's manual. It will outline the manufacturer's recommendations for oil type and oil change intervals. You can also talk to your trusted mechanic. They know your car's history and can offer personalized advice.